people on the tracks or on the tracks. Get the hell out of the way. So, what do we call this? It's just power. It's just power. He's still wig-wagging. I don't want to hear the bell, though. How does that work? Just thought, there you go. Back to normal. Whittier Street, Saturday morning, January 9, 10. Crap. Not happy with something either on the track or people near the track. Get the hell out of the way. Wonder where he's going. Wonder what he's doing. Scanner would tell you. He was definitely asking for somebody to come out and check out where he was blowing his horn. Well, that's something.